In this video, I'm going to talk about how to draw from imagination. It's vital. This video is aimed at helping you use your sketchbook to tap into that power. Sketchbooks are more than paper. They're a space where your mind can roam free. You're an artist. Your imagination is your strongest tool. We'll explore how to use it well. This isn't just about drawing well, it's about drawing imaginatively. You'll learn to unlock the pictures in your head and bring them to life on paper. The first step is to cultivate your imagination. Imagination isn't just there. It's like a muscle. You need to work it out. Start by feeding it. Read books. Watch the world around you. Let your mind wander. These things fill your imagination with material to work with. Then practice transforming these inputs into art. Imagine a scene from a book. Think about a conversation overheard in a cafe. Turn these into sketches. It's not about perfect lines or correct proportions yet. It's about letting your hand move as your mind dictates. These exercises aren't just for warming up, they're for freeing up. Freeing up your mind to think and to see like an artist. Remember, your sketchbook is your playground. There are no rules here, no right or wrong. It's a place to experiment, to try new things, and to make mistakes. This is where you develop your voice as an artist. It's where your unique style starts to take shape. Keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination. Let it lead you to places you haven't been before. The second step is drawing from imagination and observation. Drawing from imagination doesn't mean ignoring the real world. In fact, observation plays a crucial role. Let's imagine you want to draw a minotaur fighting a dragon. Look at real things. Look up photo references of bulls, bodybuilders for minotaurs, snakes and iguanas for the dragon. These references give your imagination a starting point, a dose of reality. Then get creative. Merge these references in your sketchbook. It's not about copying. It's about using real-world elements to build something new. This is where your art starts to live. It's where fantasy and reality meet. A bull's muscle structure, an iguana's scales. These details bring your creatures to life. But don't just focus on the big picture. Go macro. Go micro. Draw the scale's texture, the silhouette of the dragon in a landscape, the minotaur's expression. These studies are pieces of a larger puzzle. When you put them together, your drawing from imagination starts to become more than a picture. It becomes a story without words. Your work should provoke imagination, not just display it. Make your concept elusive. Let the viewer piece it together. This way your art becomes interactive. It's a dialogue between you and the viewer, and in that dialogue, both your imaginations can run wild. Sometimes the most powerful art is the one that doesn't spoon-feed the concept but invites exploration. Remember, every sketch, every line, and every idea you explore in your sketchbook is a step towards developing your unique artistic voice. As you continue this journey, embrace the challenges and enjoy the process of discovery. Your sketchbook is a safe space for experimentation, a canvas for your wildest ideas. Keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination and watch as your drawings transform from simple sketches to intricate stories told without words. In the end, the most important thing is to keep drawing, keep imagining, and keep expressing yourself. Your sketchbook is your world, one where your imagination is the limit. So go ahead, fill those pages with your dreams and visions. The world of imaginative drawing awaits you. Now, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.